Hello, welcome to Taste of Louisiana. I went to Dairy Queen and I got a small pecan pie. So we're gonna try this, see what this tastes like. And it's so hot out here, it's melting fast. Well, there's a pecan. It's kind of chewy. I don't know what that was. But anyway, it looks pretty good. It tastes good. This is chewy. Maybe it's the crust off of pecan pie. Okay. Would I recommend it? Yeah, I would. It's good. It is good. Like I said, this is a small. I got a little bitty one. But it does taste good. It does have a really good flavor. I just didn't know what them one pieces were. That's chewy. It's not bad at all. It has plenty of pecans in it. So yeah, I'd definitely recommend it. Yeah, it's a little bit salty. I don't know what that was. That's a big wad or something. But anyway, yes, I would recommend it. It's not bad at all. It's different. That's all I have for you today. Bye.